stand. Everybody freeze. Everybody sit in a seat, please. Brandy and Adrian, can you sit in a seat, please? John, Brianna, Holly. Eyes up here, please. Alright, so I noticed some of you are having a little trouble.
We were.
Maybe because our schools, the black things I gave you, are not quite big enough. And a lot of yours, this is what was happening. They were coming off like that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, you get the point of the pulley though, right?
Yes.
This is all I wanted you to really do was just experiment with what happens when you had different amounts of marbles in it. Just like pull it up and down like this. So what did we find out? What happened when you pulled down on the side without the cup on it? Stephanie?
It goes down.
What goes down? This ribbon here goes down? You mean up?
She means this.
Boys and girls, listen. Stephanie, you meant the cup goes up when you pull down on the ribbon? So did we notice this, boys and girls, that when we pulled down on the ribbon, Adria, when we pulled down on the ribbon, the cup went up, right? Caleb?
Whenever Cooper pulled on this, this went down like that.
Well, that's because our tape wasn't on quite good. What was it? That's why that happened. But what do we know about pulleys from doing this? What do pulleys help us do? Megan?
If you have something heavy and you have a pulley here, you can just grab your rubber and put it on the pulley and pull it up.
Yeah, so if I had something that weighed 100 pounds in this cup, say, and I used a pulley, it would be a lot easier to lift that object up by just pulling on it, right?
We will.
I wouldn't have to work as hard if I just used a pulley, right?
No, yeah, you would. Because it wouldn't that much make a difference because it would be easier just carrying it because that's how
Yeah, but what if I wanted to get it to a really high place? Would it be easy to use a pulley to do that?
you have to carry the bucket and the rock at the same time. Makes it more harder.
If I didn't have a pulley, right?
If you do
Did anybody notice anything else during their experiment?
the cup and the rock make it
Adria?
Me and Randy, when we were pulling down on our thing, our cup, we took 3 out. We took 3 out in our thing. This thing, when we did it, it went like down. And then we added the 3 in, and when we put it up, we put the 3 in like this, and we weren't watching, and we left the string just hanging there, and it stayed there. And
Really?
yeah, it just stayed there.
Well, that's interesting. So, boys and girls, now that we talked about 3 of the simple machines and we experimented a little with each of the 3, what did we learn about simple machines? What can we say about simple machines? What did we find out? Kayla?
That they go up.
A pulley goes up and down. What about simple machines as a whole, all of them? What did we learn about them? What did we find out through our experiments? Joel?
They can all help us in some way.
Right, simple machines help us in some way. And they make what easier?
What?
What do they make easier for us? Stephanie? What was that? They make life easier for us? Yeah, they make life easier for us. They make our work easier for us. So that's why we use simple machines in our everyday lives. Does anybody have any questions about simple machines? Stephanie?
Why don't we talk about a screw?
Why didn't I choose a screw? Well, I wanted to find something. I picked 3 simple machines that we could. Jason, can you sit in your seat, please? I picked 3 simple machines that that we could experiment with, and a screw. There wasn't much we could do with the screw.
And
This
screws
is
are
like a
fun.
mini unit, an introduction to simple machines. So if you're interested in some of the other simple machines, you could read some books from our library on them. I know we have some in our classroom library. There's websites we can visit on the simple machines. So if you're interested in